Hello folks, in this video, we'll show you how to set up web authentication for two-factor authentication. We will first begin with how an admin can set up web authentication for the end users. Let's go to the web authentication card first. The admin needs to click on the web authentication toggle to enable the method. After enabling the web authentication toggle, please ensure that 2FA is enabled for the required applications and users. The admin has now successfully set up and configured the web authentication method for the end users. Now, let's take a look at how the inline registration process will appear for users. When the user logs in for the first time after the 2FA method has been configured, they will need to enter their username and password, which serves as the first factor of authentication. After that, when the user clicks on Login, they will be prompted with Let's Configure Second Factor button. They will then need to click on the Configure Web Authentication button to begin the registration process. Here, the user can enter a name for their device or web authentication for internal identification or reference. After that, they need to configure or register their fingerprint or PIN, depending on the authentication method supported by their device. They can then securely log into their instance without any issues. Let's now see how the user flow looks once the inline registration is completed after their first login. Just like during the first login, the user is prompted again to enter their username and password as the first layer of authentication. After entering their username and password, the user clicks on Login. They will then be prompted to validate their device. After clicking on Validate, the user will be prompted to authenticate using either their fingerprint or PIN, based on the method they configured during the initial registration process. After clicking Validate, they can securely log in to their instance without any issues. And that's how the entire Web Authentication 2FA flow works in the miniOrange 2FA plugin.